Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chen Rodriguez from Masagri Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of January 14 hanggang January 20 for the sign of Libra. So Libra, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayong energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Libra signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa iyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advices sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Libra. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Libra signs ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, ito na, tunghayan na natin yan. Angel Spirit, please give me information pa. Okay, so this is of the Six of Pentacles. So this is something giving, receiving something by the universe. Magtutuloy-tuloy na about sa finances, no? Magiging maganda na takbo ng eksena sa iyo, no? Maaaring there's something support with the guidance ng ating mga Angel Spirit. And there's an Eight of Swords. There's a lot of negativities around you. Just be aware guys ha. Kumbaga maraming toxic dito. There's something and information then na maaaring tumutulong ka sa iyong family. Na maaaring inaabuso ka. No? Let's see. And because this is something, the King of Swords. Stop the pattern. Putulin mo yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi nagsiserve sa'yo. No? Alam mong kumbaga alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi na nakakatulong to, no, for your own growth, no? Magkakaroon ka ng something growth and expansion dito, kailangan maging matalino at maging wais. Additional messages. And because this is something, the Seven of Cups with something opportunities. Maraming opportunities na darating pa sa'yo dito, pag-isipan mo, dahil may mga part na naguguluhan ka kung anong gusto mong gawin or gusto mong matanggap, kung anong gusto mong makuha, no? And kasi nasa dito, there's something the Nine of Wands, so for something resilient, so kailangan magtiyaga sa kung ano man yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo. Napakalapit mo na para maisa katuparan ito. No, kailangan mo maging tahimik sa mga gagawin mong plano. No? Let's see, additional messages. And because this is something the High Priestess, for hidden agenda or hidden enemies. So may mga bagay dito na maaaring nakatago, no? Na maaaring unti-unting lumantad with unexpected moment, no? Hindi mo akalaing malalaman mo to, hindi mo akalaing ito pala yung eksena na to. Kumbaga maraming sekreto sa loob na bagay na yan na kailangan mong maunawaan at malaman. What is the Six of Pentacles represent what? The Six of Pentacles represents the Ace of Cups. So something a love offer. Na may taong tutulong sa'yo na maaaring magbigay sa'yo ng something na opportunities, no? Kumbaga ipapakita sa'yo na itong tao na to na deserve mo yung tulong niya or kumbaga tulungan, no? Deserve mo na tulungan ka. So let's see what is the Eight of Swords. The Eight of Swords represent what? Represent with the Page of Cups. So, something ano yung intuitions, no? Kumbaga, lakas ang pakiramdam mo, may mga, there's a conclusion ako in a sense, no? Kumbaga, meron ka dito mga pangitain or paalala or babala or meron ka dito kumbaga, hinala, no? Kung sino tong toxic na to. This is the King of Swords. Represent what? And because this is something that's Two of Swords, there's something decision that you need to make. Kailangan mo na mag-decision. Ikat mo na yung ganung system at cycle. Ha? It's a very toxic talaga, guys. What is the Seven of Cups? Represent what? The Seven of Cups represent with the Five of Pentacles. So, this is something financial loss. No? Parang naguguluhan ka sa mga bagay-bagay, no? Na may kinalaman about sa finances. Na maaaring tuloy-tuloy yung gastos, tuloy-tuloy yung labas ng pera. What is the Nine of Wands? Represent what? So this is the Three of Pentacles. So this is something collaboration, communications, no? Socialize. Kailangan mo magtiyaga muna dyan about dyan sa trabaho na yan. No? Kailangan mong pagpursigihin muna. What is the High Priestess? Ano tong sikreto na, may lihim na inggit sa'yo, no? May lihim na, yun nga, inggit sa eksena mo. What is the Six of Pentacles and the Ace of Cups? Referencing with the Six of Swords, no? There's a something transition. At makakalis ka na sa situation, guys, no? May taong naiinggit ka talaga dyan about sa business mo, sa trabaho mo, no? Kailangan mo na kumawala dyan. It's a very toxic environment. So, let's see what is the Eight of Swords because the Page of Cups. Represent what? So, this is the 4 of 1 something celebration. Huwag ka mag-alala at the end of the time kung ipapanalon mo to. There's a success coming in for you. No? Gamitan mo lang na mas maganda at creative na ideas. No? Kung kailangan mo nang umalis dyan sa situation or just sa paligid mo or sa environment mo or just sa trabaho o negosyo mo. No? It's a very toxic na raw. What is the King of Swords because the Two of Swords? Represent the Six of Cups. Oh, there's a stop the pattern about this friend. No, kumbaga, it's a very toxic na kailangan mo maging wise, maging matalino dito. There's a decision that you need to make. What is the Seven of Cups and the Five of Pentacles? Referencing with the Chariot card, you need to take an action for this. Na naguguluhan ka na bakit, kumbaga, ang bagal at mailap sa'yo ang pera, no? There's a something the Chariot card, there's a something a movement. Huwag ka mag-alala. Gagalaw na ang baso. What is the Nine of Wands and the Three of Pentacles? Represent what? With the Four of Swords. There's a something in intuitions, no? Parang nagkakaroon dito na parang nagkakaroon ka na exhausted, not because of the eksena, that drain yung utak mo, no, about dyan sa situation, no, kailangan mo munang magtiyaga, no, sa nangyayari dyan, about sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo. What is the High Priestess and the Three of Swords? So this is the Ace of Pentacles with a big shot and big money coming in for you. Malaking pera ang darating sa'yo dito. No, there's a shaded agenda. Kaya parang imbis na, alam mo, mabilis ang kita sa'yo. No? Lapitin ka ng pera, lapitin ka ng kita. Ibig sabihin dito, mabilis ang pera sa'yo na dumating. No? Malakas ang karisma o atake mo. Ganon. What is the outcome? Kaya inggitin ka eh. And this is the Two of Swords. There's a decision that you need to make. And the Two of Pentacles represent with something in balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance dito, guys. And there's the Hermit card with the spiritual. Oh, so awakening. This is the Temperance for divine intervention. Kumbaga, there's a something solid boundaries, guys. Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, pinatibay ka ng eksena na to, kailangan mo maging matatag. No? Kumbaga, may kailangan kang maunawaan at kailangan malaman dito. Kailangan mo magpursige on your own development, no? Parang magkakaroon ka na something changes dito about sa career mo. There's a new business venture. Ayun yung kailangan mo tuklasin. Additional messages about sa finances and career. And there's the full card for a new beginning. Sabi ko na nga ba, magkakaroon na something new business, new work, or either a new job. And there's a something new beginning. And because this is something of our moment for a major changes. Ang laki pagbabago na mangyayari dito. No? There's a something biglaan. And there's a Sun card na magbibigay for positive outcome, no? Magiging maganda takbo ng eksena dito. There's a something unexpected situation and unexpected moment, no? Na maaring there's a something unexpected changes na mangyayari. There's a something additional messages pagdating sa love life. Pagdating sa love life, there's a something the Ace of Swords with a breakthrough. Oh. And this is something the lovers na talaga nagtagumpay ka na sa ngayon sa love life. No, itong tao na to, itong kasama mo ngayon, there's a something balance, no? The two of you guys. Additional messages about sa health. About sa health mo, there's a something the Queen of Swords. A bigger picture, lagi mo titignan yung magiging consequences about sa health mo. There's a Queen of Wands by confident. Kailangan mo ng more on masusustansyan pagkain at kailangan mo umiwas sa mga bawal sa'yo at nakakasama sa'yo. There's a something empowerment. Kailangan mo maging malakas, no, maging matibay ngayon kasi there's a something hamon na nangyayari ngayon about sa finances mo. Hindi ka pwede magkasakit. So, let's see what is a Yin and Yang Oracle card. For Yin and Yang Oracle card, represent what? Represent for a past, lack, and suffering, no? Kailangan mo nang tumalikod dyan sa nakaraan na yan. Nagbibigay kamalasan sa iyo at nagsasuffer ka dyan. And this is something feminine. Oh, there's something feminine. May babae ditong involved. And there's something distance. So, kailangan mo dumistansya, no? Lumayo-layo. And there's something apology. May hihingi ng tawad from the past. Oh, my goodness. So, let's see. Additional messages for the magical fairy messages. For magical fairy messages, represent what? Represent without admit your true feelings to yourself. Magitotoo ka sa sarili mo. Iwasan mo magpanggap. And new home. Wow, may bagong bahay dito. Don't you worry. New home is coming. There's a moving is a step in the right direction for you. What is the synchronicities represent what? Represent with the finder of the lost. No? May mga bagay na nawawala sa'yo na pilit mong hinahanap, no? O may mga bagay na kailangan mo hanapin. And this is something bravery. Kailangan mo maging matapang at palaban. There's a prince, no? Mas bata sa person mo or mas bata ka sa person mo. There's something prince if you were a man, no? If you were a woman. So let's see what is the Romance Angels represent what for Mystic Love Oracle deck. And there's a secret admirer. Meron tao ditong lihim na may tagtingin sa'yo at may gusto sa'yo yung tao na to. And there's the other woman. No competition. May kakompetensya ka dito. May gusto sa partner mo or sa person mo. And this is something soulmate. Oh, soulmate kayo na person mo. It's good. So let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. Represent what? Archangel Michael represent what? New beginning and fresh start. So magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula, no? At bagong eksena. And this is keep your eyes on your target and intention. Napanatiliin mo kung ano ba talaga intention mo sa eksena na to. What is Romance Angels represent what? And there's a codependency. Oh, there's something addiction or affecting to your romantic life. Meron ditong kumaga something addiction like may bisyo, no? May luho, and there's a soulmate, no? Soulmate connection kay dalawang person mo. Eh, yung iwasan ha, yung mga negative or unhealthy situation. Wait lang guys, inom lang ako ng water ha. Ayan, thank you. So let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's, oh my God, you're on the right path. See, nasa tamang direction ka. And this is something counseling. There's something advices, no? Kumbaga nakikinig ka sa something advices dito, guys. What is the energy represent what? Third chakra kang health, Samuel? Oh, about sa your health issues. Iwas ka sa mga coffee, ha? Nagkakaroon dito ng something, tawag ito, acid reflux, no? And because this is something, for chakra kang head up for healing. Let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. Your life is a canvas, so something manifestation. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo na ma-manifest. And there's a weight of the world, no? May mga bagay na wag mong bitbitin yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi mo kayang bitbitin. No? Yung bagahe, yung bigat, kailangan mo na pakawalan yon. Additional messages, and there's a something denial. I-acknowledge mo yung fear, replace mo yan na awareness. Hindi sa natatakot ka, nangangamba ka lang sa, there's a possible, may ganon. And there's a something that could be that ending in your beginning. May magbagay na magwawakas, may mga bagay na matatapos, na magkakaroon ulit ng panibagong eksena. Gano, what is the Monsology? Ibig sabihin, pagdating sa love life, your commitment is being tested. Nasubok na ang inyong relasyon. Alam nyo guys, no, not another woman na nag-represent with the third party about sa love life, ha? Meron din other women na maaaring nag-represent with the third party for a competition for finances and business. And there's something the answer you need is coming, no? Lahat ng mga kasagutan nyo, lahat ng mga hining-hining nyo, maaaring ito na, no? Lahat ng hiningi mong kasagutan, ito na. And of course, the personal issue reaches resolution, no? Maaaring, yung mga personal na problema nyo, maaaring masolusyonan na. For the chakra messages, and there's a new renewal. Magkakaroon ka ng panibagong eksena talaga, a new beginning talaga. And abundance is here. Talagang kasaganahan talaga, no? Ka-abundance. And there's a recovery. Makaka-recover ka rin, guys. Additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a relationship. Malaking factor ang relationship and health mo dito, guys. And there's a taking action. Kailangan mong kumilos, gumalaw. Let's see what is additional messages for Archangel Raphael messages. And there's a increase your energy. No? Pas palawakin mo yung enerhiya. No? For the angels, answer represent what? Represent with a trust. Kailangan mo magtiwala at maniwala, ha? And there's a choose your direction. Kailangan mo mga bagong direksyon. Diba? Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng panibagong direction dito sa buhay mo. Parang sinasabi dito, magkakaroon ka ng solution or something, a new eksena, new business ventures, ganon. For Jesus' loving quote said, I am the good shepherd, good shepherd giving his life for the sheep. See? Kumbaga, ibibigay sa natin, Panginoon, yung mga bagay na alam niya makakabuti sa iyo. Hindi niya ibibigay na para wala lang, no? Ibibigay niya to para matutunan, malaman mo kung paano mo pagyayabungin ng sarili mo. And there's an ask and shall be given to you. Lumapit ka sa ating Panginoon, magdasal ka, humingi ka ng gabay at tawad, no? At ibibigay niya sa iyo mga bagay na dapat mong malaman. So let's see, what is the angel's number? Represent what? Angel's number represent what? 333 for support. No, there's something support with the angel spirit. Seeing the angel's number, 333 is a sign that it's time to focus inward for your work on your skills. Discover your talent and use your imagination. Unleash your inner artist. Doing so will boost your self-esteem and sense of competence. It does wonders for your sense of purpose and contributes to your community. Diba? Sinusuportahan ka ng ating angel spirit at pinagabayan ka para may isa katuparan kung ano man yung mga bagay o hangarin mo sa buhay na magdadala sa'yo ng growth and expansion. What is the messages of life? Represent what? Messages of life represent searching within. What I see outside myself is simply a mirror of my inner self. Today, empower myself by looking past outer condition and searching within for my source of difficulty in my life. My inner wisdom will always help me face challenges. It provides my best answer and my greatest healing. As I study myself, I am transformed. So see, kumbaga, sa dami mga pinagdaanan mo, unti-unti mo natuklasan sa sarili mo, no, kung anong kahalagahan ng mga bagay na ibinibigay at pinababatid sa natin mga gabay. Kailangan mong malaman, kailangan mong matutunan, at kailangan mong maranasan. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of January 14 hanggang January 20 for the sign of Libra. So Libra, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a journey, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update ko. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, saway pagpalay kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!